Holy fuck! What the fuck?
The Slug Boys! Ah, yay!
Because they're gonna get confused.
Confused a bit.
I know you went yellow because I'm meant to be the yellow guy.
And I'm in
But
blue.
and here comes the first test. Give me the 5 points of PPE.
Penicillin prescription and elimination.
Get off my sight. Robbie, give me the 5 points of PPE.
Can I just ask you one question just to be sure of it, son? Does it all start with P's, or am I just imagining shit? 'Cause if it doesn't, then I
Off
might
my
know.
sight.
Stay there, stay.
Are you gonna try and pick me up, you cunt?
Wait, I've got my marker right in top of you.
Right, just
How
see
do I spell it down? Oh, just go
Oh, wait,
straight.
it goes through me. Oh, fuck. Secure. Ah, there we go.
Aye, there you go. Now you lift the ramp. And then I'll jump in.
Oh, wait, I'm here. Oh, no, I've just been watching these through the trees, fuck's sake, don't leave me. Oh, fuck, I've got myself stuck.
Yeah, this is creepy bastard. Just drive.
Jump in the red one and drive it up. Don't know if you want to maybe drive up and start at the back and then, like, hey, you're doing well, son, just like your dad.
I think so.
You digging to China, pal?
Aye.
Right, boys, we're going to need to do a full big bad shift on this one. I know it's not aim time, but we're going to need to stay overtime. I need that bloody pish and I need to grab another beer. Aye, your supervisor drink on the job, so what? I'm the boss.
Fucking smoking.
You have permission to drink on the job.
No!
What?
These fucking bastards come in and test us at random moments, son. You want to risk it?
You want to risk it?
I'm the boss.
I think I dug too much. I fucking went past the line, they can't.
Can you fill it back up? Quick. You've been filling it up. I didn't even do anything. Fuck's sake.
I'll no claim that.
Remember, son, don't stay in there too long. That vibration's no good for your back.
It's good for my arse, but
You go, because if he is, he's half sight.
I'm more than Freddie Mercury, mate.
Half my sight. Oh fuck, he's coming to cars.
That arm is reaching, man. Hey, man, it wasn't me. Someone banging on the sofa. You don't in the shower. She even got me on camera. She was standing there. She never took her eyes off me.
Well, we've been here for 28 hours, I believe, in game. Oh yeah! Oh, that was all us, man. Fucking out the way!
Holy fuck! What the fuck?
Alright, I'm alright.
I'm not fucking camera.
I'm in debt, man. You're costing me some amount of money. You're blasting through red lights and speeding through the cameras.
Don't jump! Don't jump! Don't jump! Oh, I fell off!
Oh, so that.
Come back!
Did you even grab that for the cycle?
I don't fucking know.
What you doing, man?
Something's wrong with this. Right.
Yeah, I'll get on, well.
Don't fucking do it!
I always need to make sure I can do that before Chris and Eric get back. I don't even better just
Oh my fucking god! These are no bumper cars, you cunt! Oh my
So funny,
fucking
right?
god, so all that fucking weight.
I'm trying to like slip the bricks under it. Oh, there we go.
Hey, fucking hell.
Look at him there, he's like Bigfoot! You're posted up like Bigfoot!
That's fucking funny.
Put it on the ground. Oh, I see if I can stone on it. Yes! I'm gonna have a piece of re-break up here, mate, and have a sandwich like the old days. Good thing there's no 4 damage in this game.
Oh, is there?
No, there's no.
Watch it stun you up when you picks it up like a shit game.
Nah, no, I probably will.
Good game, good. No, no, mate.
No.
Shit game!
I actually have phased through it. Guys! How you doing?
You should have done the test when I asked.
I've got a family! I got fucking...
We actually can't complete it until you leave.
I mean, how dare you?
How does he get out from there?
Come on, let's get out now. I'm sick.
You're fucking running.
See, well, I think you need to have the thing touching the ground to skip it up better. You're like, you're out of job completely.
Aye, let's see.
Look
Yeah,
at
look at
this
that.
job builder.
Look
A
at
bit
that.
of fairy dust, mate, and that'll be perfect as soon as you walk off
Aye.
right.
There you are, perfect. Who's this cunt? The foreman? Oh no, here's the foreman. Oh,
Alright, we
it's
don't need
just
to
that
build the
easy.
actual full house, just the basement.
Wow.
That's it, we've done it.
I think we could take a wee coffee break since we've been working 3 days straight, rush job.
No?
Excuse me, sir, you can't come past this.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir, where are you going?
Get back from the Queen's
Yeah,
car.
yeah, you need to turn around, mate.
Oh,
fuck.
I'm flying!
You're
I'm
what the
flying!
fuck?
Help! 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 I shouldn't be up here. Guys, what do I do? Guys! Guys! I don't know how to. I'm scared. Help me. Reverse back. Reverse back.
We can't.
Can.
I mean, you get.
Oh well, see you later.
Oh, please. Guys! Guys! You won't believe it! You won't believe it, guys!
You're right, I won't.
Oh, I'll fucking run the 2,000 meters, mate, if I really need to. Right.
I've been running for 3 years.
Fucking Forrest Gump, mate.
I was running.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man, why did it do that? I literally took
I'm
one
going to run
step.
about like that fucking guy, man. Come on. I'm going to run about, answer my phone.
Why would you do that?
Just, mate, that's cool. It was him that told me.
What is it, well, who done it?
My pal Colin from high school got his first car. We went out as a group and fucking went to McDonald's and that. Fucking middle of the night, going round the roundabout, his phone starts ringing. He's like, "Alright, hold on." He fucking parks on the fucking roundabout and answers his phone. And I'm like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And he's like, I'm answering my phone." And I'm like, "You can't park on the fucking roundabout."
Muggle.
No, fucking hell.
Raise me up.
Oh, he's in the fucking ground for me? Like, oh, okay.
Squash.
Get off us together. I've actually been squashed. Help. Alright.
He's on my fucking side of the fucking... What, the door? What the fuck?
You talk about.
You're like floating
Right.
at my door.